back to my channel. I'm always so excited whenever I'm recording a video because I don't know, it just gives me special kind of feeling. So guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is a basic eyeshadow tutorial. It's actually a requested tutorial from one of my subscribers. Shout out to Heritage. This is actually a requested tutorial from her, so I'm doing this video specially for her and to every other person finding eyeshadow work like a bit difficult. So this tutorial is for you. This tutorial is plainly basic. It's for basic eyeshadow routine and it's beginner friendly and it's for everyone who wants to up their eyeshadow game. So guys, if it's your first time here on my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, the first thing I want you to know when you are doing your eyeshadow work is to know that you cannot just apply eyeshadow on your bare skin. Like, it's a big no-no. Like, the first thing you should always do is to always remember that you need to apply an eyeshadow base. And if you do not have an eyeshadow base, which is an eyeshadow primer or something, you can always use your concealer, but never ever apply eyeshadow directly on your eye skin. Always make sure that there is an eyeshadow base before you go over with your eyeshadow. Another thing that is also very important when you are doing your eyeshadow work is that brushes are very important. The kind of brushes you use are very important and they go a long way on how your eyeshadow work come out. So you should always know your brushes and you know the kind of brushes that you should use for your eyeshadow work. Don't go using a brush that's supposed to be for your lip or for your brows or for somewhere else for your eyeshadow. Always note that for eyeshadow you need as many fluffy brushes, blendy brushes as you can get, because they are always key, especially if you need to do a lot of blending. And I think eyeshadow work in general actually requires a lot of blending. So always note that, always remember that your brushes go a long way and they are really important, and more than anything you need fluffy brushes, especially when you need to blend. So guys, first thing first, like I said earlier, I'm going to be applying an eyeshadow base on my eye, and I'm going to go in Flawless Ivy eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to set that on my eyelid and then I'll blend it. So I'm going in with this fluffy brush. Remember, blending is key, and for perfect blending you need fluffy brushes. So I'm going to be using this fluffy brush to just go over the eyeshadow base that I just applied on my eyes. Remember, the purpose of your eyeshadow base is to make sure it gives a base for your eyeshadow to rest on, and it also makes more importantly, it makes your eyeshadow pop out. So this is a very important routine in your eyeshadow work. Now that I've perfectly blended that out, the next thing is to create my crease, or to define my crease more like. So I'll be going in with this brush and I'll be going with this. I'm trying to not be so dramatic with my eyeshadow work, which might be so difficult because I like being very dramatic with my eyeshadow work. I'm trying to be not so dramatic because I want this to be as basic and as simple as possible. I'm just going to be using this brown color for the purpose of this tutorial. If you do not want to go with this really dark eyeshadow to define your crease, you can easily just go over your crease with a really dark powder shade or something like that. So I'm going to be going over my crease with this. Going over with this fluffy brush that I used the first time to blend my base, I'll just use that to blend this eyeshadow over my crease. As you can see, that's perfectly blended in. If you want it to pop out more, like, you just need to just add more eyeshadow to that will basically make it pop out more. But like I said, I don't want to be too dramatic with this eyeshadow, so I'll just go over it a little more, just a little more, and then I'll blend. Okay, so for those who don't know what crease means, like you can see this line over here, this is your crease. So when you are blending, try not to like go, except you are really going for a dramatic look or you want to blend extra, try not to go overboard with your blending. Try not to make it so close to your brows or something. Just make sure you are going over this line here. There is a natural line here that shows you where your crease lies, so just make sure that that is where you are going over with your eyeshadow. So now guys, as you can see, my crease is perfectly defined. So now to the eyeshadow work proper. This is not a cut crease look, so I'm not going to be doing any cut crease or any dramatic thing. This is just a basic simple eyeshadow tutorial. Now that I've defined my crease, I'll be showing you the next step. Using this color, I'll be using this, and I'll just pat that on my eyelid. Now you can also just use your finger, like just tap on the shadow and then just go over it. And that's it. Like I said earlier, if you want it to pop more, just add more of that, but I think I am perfect with the way it's looking right now. Don't get it twisted, I'm just using my hand because I wanted to show you that you can still use your hand, but other than that, like you can just go ahead with using your brush to just pat that on your eyelid. So although I said I don't want this to look so dramatic, but it's looking too plain to me, so I'm just going to take a little bit more of that brown eyeshadow color that I used to go over my crease, and I'm just going to put it at this outer part of my eye, just to make it look more defined. Just the outer part. And guys, that's it. So I'm just going to blend that part. I just added more eyeshadow color. Just going to blend it out. And guys, this is it. Nothing too dramatic. This can actually pass for a normal everyday eyeshadow look or even a brighter eyeshadow look. You just probably have to go with a more subtle eyeshadow product, but like this is perfect. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be lining my eyes. I'm going to be showing you guys how I line my eyes just to give this look perfect. Just to line my eyes, I'm going in with this Huda Beauty liquid eyeliner, and remember, this is not a dramatic look. This is a very simple look, so I'm not going to be going overboard with my eyeliner. I'm just going to make sure that I'm lining directly where my eyeliner should go. Guys, now that I've gone ahead to line my eyes, I'll just go over and finish my full face look, fix my lashes, and then come back to show you how to complete or give your eye work that perfect finish. Now I've finished my full face look. I'm going to be lining my eyes, and I'm going to be doing it with this black pencil just to line my eyes and to make my waterline pop. I don't know, but like, I'm going to be lining my eyes with this. Remember, you can go in with any color of eyeliner that you want, depending on what kind of look you're trying to achieve. But I just went in with a dark pencil liner, and then I'll be going in with this dark shade. Remember this brown that I used to define my face? I'll be going in with a little bit of it, and I'll just use it to underline my water line. This is just to define my eye look even more. That is why I'm doing this. You can see the difference between this eye and this eye. This one is giving this, I don't know, but it's giving this very nice finish, and I'm just going to apply a little more and then blend it. To make your eyes pop even more, I'll advise that you go in at the outer part of your eyes with a highlighter. So I'm just going to be applying a highlighter here just to make my eyes pop even more. You can do away with this step if you like. This is the finished look. So guys, this is the complete look. Thank you so guys for watching. Please, if you found this tutorial really helpful, do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, and do not forget to turn on my post notifications so you do not miss out on any of my posts. Thank you once again guys for watching. I really do hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial as much as I enjoyed putting in effort towards creating this video. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye.